Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you've been here, my name is Cheri, and of course this is Making It with Chef Cheri because I love to make things and I'm sure you do too. And today I'm hoping to make some people happy. We are doing a giveaway. If you tuned in yesterday's video, I announced that in the month of January, we hit 10,000 subscribers. So I am super excited to celebrate that. And one of the other things I love to do is to give back. And so with each milestone that I've reached, or we've reached on this channel with subscribers, we have given a gift donation through the charity Heifer International. If you want to learn more about them, you can check them out in the description below. And if you want to learn more about what we gave away for the 10,000 subscriber milestone and what we'll be giving away for the 25,000 subscriber milestone, you can check out yesterday's video, which I will post right here at the end of this video, and I'll also post it in the description below. So, getting back to our giveaway that I'm super excited about, this is how it's going to work. I have 4 gifts to give away, and I'm going to tell you what they are in just a second. But the way it's going to work is when the video gets, this video right here, it gets 100 views, I'm going to give away the first gift. And then when it gets 250 views, I'm going to give away a second gift that's valued at even more. And then when we hit 500 and 1,000, the same thing is going to happen. So the first thing that I am going to be giving away is the Pampered Chef Measure, Mix, and Pour. And don't worry, I'm going to give you all of the information you need on how to get entered as soon as I announce all the giveaways that I'm going to be doing. So again, the first one is the Measure, Mix, and Pour, and I love this. You can see through it. It has measurements on the side. It's great for making your own salad dressings, of course. You mix in it, you measure in it, and you can also serve. So again, it's a measure, mix, and pour. But the other thing I like is it's really hard sometimes to mix together things like if you're making a gravy like flour and milk. This helps out so much. I absolutely love it. So this is valued at, I believe, $19. And so that is going to be our first gift when we reach 100 views on this video. So the second thing I'm going to be giving away is our kitchen spritzer, which is valued at $30. This is a great addition to anyone's kitchen. So this is kind of going to take the place of your Pam spray. It adds a light little mist over anything you spray it onto to keep things from sticking. But what I love about it is it's so much healthier than using an aerosol spray. And because you can refill it yourself, it's going to save you a lot of money. And you can use different types of oils. So you can add, an olive oil to this or a canola oil or whatever you like. And you can also add spices and herbs. So that's going to be the second giveaway, and that is going to be at 250 views. And then the next one is going to be at 500 views, and that's going to be the set of glass mixing bowls valued at $42. Now these are also from Pampered Chef, and that's why I love them. They've got a really thick base on the bottom. They've got a really thick rim, so they are definitely good for mixing up those thick batters. And it doesn't matter if you're measuring, you're mixing, you're storing, you're serving. Every kitchen really does need a set of glass mixing bowls. I love how when you can see through it, you can actually see if all your ingredients are actually being all combined and when they're all incorporated. So that is great. And of course, they are clear tempered glass. They come in sets of 2 quart, 3 quart, 4.5 quart, and of course they nest together to make for easy storage. So again, that is going to be at 500 views. And then when we get to 1,000 views, I'm going to be giving away one of our instant read digital thermometers valued at $51. One of my all-time favorite products. Makes cooking in the oven, if you're roasting something like that, it makes it a breeze. And you guys have probably actually seen me use this on a couple of videos, actually probably quite a few videos. What I love about it is it has a probe that comes out right like that and it folds back away, but it also comes with a probe that is on a 3-foot cord. So this has a magnet on the back. You stick it right to your oven and you take the corded probe and you stick it inside the oven. So you don't even have to open the oven door to check on your meats. And again, it's an instant read. So I love this thing and I'm excited to give this away. And of course, that is going to be at 1,000 views. So I'm sure you're wondering, well, how do I get entered? Very easy. All you have to do is make sure you're subscribed, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. So when you comment on the video, that is going to serve as your entry. So if you're the 4th person to comment, then you will be entry number 4. And so each time we hit one of the milestones, I will make a video. I will use a random number generator to generate a number, and whoever commented on that number, whoever that number is, I hope this is making sense, that will be the person that will win the prize. And then I will ask you to email me your address and I will get your prize shipped out to you. Another thing I forgot is I have a few cookbooks here that I've carried to Pampered Chef parties, for a few years now. I have copies of these for myself, so I don't necessarily need them. So with each one of those that we give away, I'm going to include a cookbook as well. So anyway, thank you guys so much. I could not do this without you. And so I want to celebrate it with you guys. I want to reward you and thank you. And just from the bottom of my heart, this has just been awesome. So again, stay tuned. This week I've got some great Valentine's things coming up and I will see you next time. Bye.